1,000 subscribers. I can't begin to thank you all enough. This means so much to me. I started this channel 9 months ago as a way to share my art process, and it continues to grow into an art tutorial channel. I love teaching and sharing what I have learned about art, and I greatly appreciate you all joining me on this artistic journey. As we continue to grow together, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of the things that you would like to see on the channel? Are there other styles of art you'd like to explore, like digital painting, sculpting, animation? Are there other art programs you'd be interested in? Maybe Procreate, Corel Painter, or Blender? And what are some of the types of artwork that you enjoy creating the most? This will all help me develop videos you want to see, so let me know in the comments. Thank you all so much again. I'm excited for what we do next. And of course, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Until next time.